Hey everyone, welcome to another Koala tutorial. Have you ever wondered how teachers are able to have two cameras like this on the screen? I'll show you how. So first of all, let me delete this fella over here. So it's really easy. If you like to have a floating camera just like the one I just did right now, simply click on your camera. It's that easy. Once you click on your camera, you can have your floating camera on the whiteboard in your Koala classroom, just like this. And you can rotate your camera, you can reduce the size or increase the size, just like that. And this is just something which you can do with your students to have fun in the classroom, or if you want to show them something practical, this is a good way to learn. So that's how to have the floating camera in your Koala Go classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via the help chat anytime. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Bye from me and me. Oh wait, and me. Bye everyone.